If Slack is showing an error finding teams, don't worry. This is usually something simple and easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick steps to get Slack working again, so you can get back into your workspace without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop Slack from loading your teams properly. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run it and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is weak, try switching networks, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or restarting your router before moving on. Next, refresh the page or close and reopen the Slack app. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading glitch, and a simple refresh can force Slack to reload the workspace list. If you're using Slack in a browser, refresh the page. If you're using the desktop app or mobile app, fully close it and open it again. If you still can't find your team, double-check the email address you're using to sign in. Make sure it's the exact email that was used for your Slack account or Workspace invite. A lot of times, people have multiple email addresses and accidentally try the wrong one. If Slack isn't recognizing your workspace, signing in with the correct email can fix the problem right away. Another important step is to check your inbox for any Slack-related emails. Look for workspace invitations, login messages, or older emails from your team. These messages can help confirm which email is connected to your Slack workspace and may also contain a direct link back to the correct team. Don't forget to check spam, promotions, and other filtered folders too. If needed, try logging out of Slack completely and signing back in using the correct account. This can clear up session issues and help Slack display the right teams. You can also try using Slack in a different browser or on another device to see whether the problem is specific to one app or one login session. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the error finding teams issue. To recap, start by checking your internet speed, refresh Slack, enter the correct email, and review your inbox for Slack messages or workspace invites. These simple fixes solve most team finding problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.